Nick Rudder from McKee's37.com. I'm really excited to introduce a brand new formula for our hugely popular high gloss detail spray. For the last 10 years, we've never touched this formula until now. It's been one of our best sellers, and for good reason. It's quick, it's easy to use, and it leaves the paint really gloss and slick. However, as technology improves, we always take a careful look at what's available, and then we'll try new reformulations, spend a lot of time testing, and if it's a better product, then we will introduce it to the McKee's 37 line. And that's exactly what we've done with the new formula high gloss detail spray. First and foremost, what is a detail spray? So a detail spray is something to be used to remove fingerprints, light dust, smudges, that sort of thing. A waterless wash is designed for a dirtier vehicle. So real simple way to remember this. This Cadillac Blackwing right here, it was washed a few days ago. It's parked in the garage. It has not been driven through the rain. So it's just covered in a very light coat of dust and fingerprints. If your vehicle sits outside, or if you drive in the rain, what happens is any type of dust or fingerprints or smudges gets wet, whether by the rain or by the dew, and then it turns into a film of dirt. That's when the vehicle is too dirty to use a detail spray. So a detail spray is for light dust, fingerprints and smudges, etc. This Cadillac is the perfect candidate. When you look at it, it looks pretty clean overall, but when you get close, you can see, like I said, some dust and some fingerprints here or there, and that's when you want to use a detail spray. So with the new formula, we changed a couple things. First off, it cleans better. So if you are going to a car show, for example, and you get a few bugs here or there or anything like that, it'll effectively clean it off without scratching the vehicle. It still provides a very lubricious barrier, so when you spray it on, your towel will glide across, preventing any scratching from occurring, and it's compatible with all exterior surfaces, and you can even use it on interior surfaces. So this Cadillac, we have paint, we have paint protection film, we have aluminum wheels, we have the carbon fiber package, we have glass, we have piano black, we have a little bit of everything. High gloss detail spray can be used on all of that. What's more, whether your car is waxed or ceramic coated or graphene coated, it works on all of the above without hindering the water beading characteristics of whatever wax sealant or coating that you have on the surface. It's simply going to amplify it. So compatible with every single product out there. That was really important. Plus, my favorite, as a drying aid. As you wash your vehicle, once you're ready to start drying it, you go from panel to panel and you mist the fender or the hood or whatever it is that you're drying with a couple sprays, and this helps reduce water spots and it increases the gloss. Using a detail spray is really simple. First and foremost, make sure you have enough towels on hand. I see it all the time at car shows, here at Cars and Coffee. A guy will be out working on his car, the whole car, and he'll just have one towel. Not a good idea. You want to make sure you have plenty of clean, dry towels. This is our Premium Gold 360. These work outstanding for detail sprays and for waterless washes because they contain a nice thick nap, but not too thick to where it drags across the surface. But this nap allows dirt and grit to be trapped deep within the nap of the towel, within the pile, so you don't scratch the paint. So working on this Cadillac here, I'm going to take it and a couple sprays, normally one panel at a time. This hood is rather large, so I'm going to call this 2 panels. And I just take my microfiber towel and I'm going to hold it 4 ways and just gently go in one direction. I'll inspect the towel. I can see some dirt. So then I'm simply going to roll the towel a little bit to a clean area. Do it again and complete this process until I no longer have a clean section of the towel, at which that point I will flip the towel to another side and continue. And again, no streaks, no smears. It smells wonderful, like all the other McKee's 37 products. And then here's the technique I want to share. After you do a section, take a second clean dry towel and use this as your buffing towel. So help remove any excess residue, anything like that. Real fast and simple. And this particular Cadillac, it's fully loaded. It has the beautiful carbon fiber interior trim. You can use the high gloss detail spray on that to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Even the dashboard if you wanted to. I mean, me personally, I'd stick with our fast interior detailer for those purposes, but a lot of guys like to just keep one product in the car to use for everything. Works on glass, it can be used on wheels to remove a light film of brake dust, on headlights, taillights, the piano black trim, all of the above. So if you're looking for a very high quality detail spray that's compatible with everything and it's not finicky to use, it smells wonderful, check out McKee's 37 High Gloss Detail Spray. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and most importantly, shop from McKee's37.com. Our YouTube channel is funded by our store, McKee's37.com. Take care and God bless.